GPO30W Dual USB Port Type Sigantech Fast Charger replaces original 30W Dual USB Port Charger. GPO Fast 30W Dual USB Port Type Sigantech Plus USB for Samsung Mobile in different market like US, EU, UK, etc. This fast charger travel adapter is universal charger adapter at AC 100 to 240 voltage. Safety protection, short circuit protection, OVP, OTP, OLP, OCP, other, overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.